Hello, good morning. Kakagising lang pala natin, no? So today magkakabit tayo ng motor starter. Yan, nabili natin to sa Napa nung nakaraang araw. Ngayon lang tayo nagkaroon ng time. Ngayon lang tayo na libre para ikabit to. So ang price nga pala nito is halos nasa $400. Kung i-convert natin into pesos, siguro nasa 14,000 pesos. Sa ganun ang price niya. Included na yung tax sa Napa store. Coffee muna tayo. Kaya ko lang naman pala siya kapalitan. Last time nung ginamit ko siya is parang hirap na siya mag-start. So bago na rin kasi ang battery niya, bago spark plugs, lahat halos pina-check na kung ano yung mga possible na dahilan. Hirap niya mag-start. So ang nasa idea ko lang, ang problema niya is itong motor starter na to. Isip ko is itong solenoid. Yung parang gold na yan. Siguro ito yung problema. Hirap siya mag-start. Kasi balak na rin ibenta yung sasakyan. So yung susunod na makagamit para wala siya po problemahin. So halos gumastos tayo ng nasa halos 40,000 pesos, no? Para sa lahat-lahat sa battery, sa belts, spark plugs, din sa radiator, check alternators. So lahat-lahat na check natin. So halos napakinabangan na rin natin yung sasakyan ng matagal na yon. So yan, tara. So ito nga pala yung sasakyan to, isa LeSabre Buick 2000 or 2003 model, mga ganun. Medyo may katandaan na rin, no? Kaya ngayon, papalitan natin siya ng motor starter. Last time ginamit ko, 3 times siya na hirap siya mag-start. So balak na rin siya ibenta. So sunod na gagamit para wala siya po problemahin, no? Palitan na rin natin siya lahat ng battery, mga belts. Pinarehis na rin natin itong radiator, alternator. Ito ay 3.8 Series 2 V6 engine.
And the other one must be...
I borrowed my brother the flat screwdriver.
That one?
Yeah, that's the first thing.
Oh,
Remove this lock, the pin into the cover. That's why it's hard to remove this motor starter.
Let me know if this one's too big and I'll get you a smaller one, right? Big, my brother?
Yeah, it's too big, brother.
Just get you a smaller one.
10 millimeters.
Okay. The small one or the middle one?
The small one. I have a call.
10 mil?
Yeah, it's stable.
Doesn't try to roll under further?
No.
Oh, good.
Not socket just because it's hit something here. What size is this? Only for these. 8
Okay.
socket. This one. That's good, right? The batteries. Remove it.
Oh, yeah, the
Okay.
battery's right.
Yeah.
That's that clamp that you still taken out of the way, right? That little clamp.
It's not fit. It's work.
It works?
Yeah.
And then, do you want me to check for the wires?
Remove this.
So we don't lose it, right?
Yeah.
It's okay to take those nuts?
The big one. Yeah.
See it?
I got it.
I mean, and a knot?
Hard to hold.
Is it hard to hold?
Can you hold it?
Yeah.
Can you hold it? Like that. Can you hold it first to 2 seconds? Straight.
Alright.
Yeah. Tapos na natin gawin sa akin, nakabit ko na yung starter. It's normal because it's working, right? Yan, so okay na. Nagawa na natin. Napalitan na natin ng bagong starter. Working properly na.